I was that Googling warrior. How do I cure my eczema? This and that. And 2 months ago, prior to starting it, I used a topical steroid in about March of this year and an oral steroid just to see what my skin could look like. And clearly that was the wrong thing to do because it just, before starting the program, my eyes just looked like I was in that constant flare for like 3 months. It was just red, itchy, and that's what brought me here to the program. Because like watching a lot of your testimonials, a lot of people, when even yourself had it your whole life. And I remember asking Kessia, I was like, so like, am I different? Can I, heal too? And she was just like, I remember every time I have bad days, she's like, you put in the work, you'll get the results. So that's how I sort of live a lot of my days, and it sort of works with everything, doesn't it? If you put in that work, you'll get the results.
Yeah, which has been amazing for you too, because when you first started, your skin, like your eyes, and like it was just so red and raw. Like it is pretty amazing in 2 months how your skin has changed so much.
Even under my arms, I remember being on that first call and just sitting with my arms like this. It was just like aching, just even under my arms were really sore.